Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would be seeing what to do after graduation. Unlike my previous video, which was more in general for PU students, this is going to be specifically for those of you who are about to complete your graduation from Commerce and Management. Alright, this has part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is what to do after graduation in terms of higher studies, and part 2 is what to do after graduation in terms of applying and seeking for a job. Okay. Now I understand that it is a very difficult time for you to go through. You tend to get confused for all kinds of reasons. But mostly it is for two reasons. Number one, you get confused because there's wide range of opportunities available. The more options are, the more confused you get. The second reason is when you get stuck between whether to go for a job or take up a PG course. But take it from me, it is absolutely normal to get confused, but I'm very sure you can figure it out. Alright? Before we rush into the options, I want you to pause for a while and find out what is your core area of interest. If you do not know what are you really good at, we cannot really make this decision. I'm sure the last 5 years college time would have given you a vague idea as to what are you good at and what are you bad at, right? So take a pen and a paper right now, note down what are you good at, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, skills, talents and many more to self-judge your potential. So once you do that, you will know what are your capabilities, what are your strengths, what is your potential and many more, and you will be able to make a sound decision about this particular question, what to do after graduation. Alright, now let's get into the options. Number one that you can take up as your higher studies is PG Diploma in Digital Marketing. As we all know, digital marketing has entered business in a big way, and that is why it's one of the most sought after course after the graduation program. Nowadays, all organizations for that matter needs a digital marketer in their company to scale their profits. So you have a great career opportunities in this particular course. For example, you could become SEO expertise, Google ad specialist, content manager, digital manager and many more. This particular course ranges from 6 months to a year. So if you want to finish in short-term course, you could always go for 6 months and finish it off. And this can be good for those who likes to work on web, who are techies, creative in nature, business minded and many more. The second option is PG Diploma in Management. This particular course is best suited for those who are interested in doing business, who's seeking a career in a corporate or maybe wanting to start a business. Unlike its counterpart, MBA, this is more advanced and updated in nature, which makes it a little expensive than that of an MBA. And this particular course will polish you in terms of your personality, the way you think and set you for a success. Just like an MBA, this also comes with various specializations such as finance, accounting, information technology, operations, human resource management and many more. And this particular course ranges from 1 to 2 years. Now, the third important course is PG Diploma in Human Resource Management. We all know that HR department is the department which works with the most important asset, that is employees. And it's very important for us to know how to work with them and look for advancement of both organization as well as employees. And that's where this particular course comes into picture. This PG Diploma in HRM has been there for quite some time, and it is a prestigious program which aims at taking the understanding of HR discipline to the next level. This particular course encourages critical thinking among students and makes them ready to face the challenging situations in a corporate environment. That's why this particular course includes all the basics to the advanced HR analytics such as performance categorization, compensation management and many more. If you complete this particular course successfully, You can be recruited as a recruitment coordinator, HR officer, HR consultant, senior HR officer, and many more. Now, the fourth important course is MBA. MBA is something which we all know, right? These days, MBA comes in many modules, but the most recognized one is the 2-year full-time course. In case you are planning on doing an MBA in distance, do not do. It's not recommended. Alright? This MBA is best suited for all those who are interested in business, who are good at practical oriented courses, who wants a job ready atmosphere, then this is your option. The best thing about this course is that it transforms a normal ordinary people into professionals who knows how to handle tasks, time and communicate and integrate the entire organization together. Again, it has various specializations such as marketing, finance, accounting, IT and many more. Depending on your interests, you can see where do you exactly fit yourself in. And to finish MBA, you need to start with an entrance exam such as MAT, GMAT and so on if you want to be admitted into a good reputed college. And the earning potential also depends on the kind of college that you've completed your MBA from. So keep that in mind before you could make a decision. The next course is PG Diploma in Event Management and Activation. Are you someone who is good at planning and organizing? Then this is your option. Because not everyone could get into the details of a particular concept. So if you are someone who is good at multitasking and creative enough, then this is your option. And this can be applied by any graduate. It doesn't matter if you are a commerce or a science or art student, any graduate student could apply for this. And this particular course duration is just 1 year. So if you are creative, nowadays everyone wants to stand out in society, and that's why they always throw big functions, parties and events, and that is where your opportunity comes into picture. So if you are creative enough, you have 1 year after graduation and then this is your option. Okay, then after that comes CA, Chartered Accountant. This particular course is for all the students who are from commerce background, who has great passion for accounts and has good foundation on accounts. So if you want to become a chartered accountant, you need to start by clearing a CPT examination conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants, after which you will have to clear up another exam called IPCC, then take up an internship program for 2.5 years, then give your finals. After which you can title yourself as CA, which is a prestigious profession and also comes with great monetary benefits. Okay. The last option in the list is civil services. If you are someone who is very patriotic, who wants to contribute to the society, to the country, who wants to change the system, then this is your option. You can clear a couple of prelims, get into the system, change the things that you've always wanted to change. You can be the change that you want to see in the world. You become the authority, then you can change everything and make the society a better place for the future. Okay. Now these are the options that you could consider if you're planning on doing a higher studies. Now coming to the part 2 as to what to do after graduation in terms of applying for job. That will be dealt in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and thank you.